Hi, this is JD. In this video, I have my completed inked drawing fully traced with ink here on my poster sheet of the Dumbo elephant from the previous videos. And here is the original picture that I was trying to trace. And this is the final trace. Now I used just regular lead pencil and eraser when I was doing the initial trace, and then a smooth gliding black ink pen to go over the pencil, and then the magic rub eraser there to kind of get rid of all the pencil marks. And it turned out pretty well. I had to improvise along some of the edges where I had to get rid of Timothy there, and for that ear, the corner of the ear, and part of the foot where the ball was. A couple of mistakes here and there that I tried to cover up, like one here and one at the bottom near the foot there. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty well. Haven't decided if I want to add some color to this, but I still need to trace over the trunk to do the pin the trunk part on this picture, and I have to figure out how to pin this poster up so that my 3-year-old can reach it at a good height without damaging the walls. So maybe I'll use some cardboard boxes cut up and taped to a surface somewhere, and then I'll maybe tape this on top of that. But yeah, this is the final product for now. If you'd like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as always, thanks for watching.